Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Tuesday, January 12th, 2010, and we sure did try to fight the good fight. You know, we talked about the 114 level having to get chewed through, and then the 113.70 as support. We were 1 penny away from that on a pretty good high volume print on a 3-minute chart here. So good sell off to that level of support, significantly diminishing that level of support in the future, which we talked about. Good run up into the 114.20 area. Even tried to put in an ascending triangle through here. Unfortunately for the market, it wasn't able to hold that. Used it as resistance one more time, and then finally broke through 114 in earnest, using it as a resistance, and then taken off rather nicely, actually, right through the 113.70 mark. We're trading right now at 113.50 after a pretty good hit down to a low of 113.38. On a higher time frame, you can see where that matches up to is rising 200 MA on a 15-minute chart. It has now been tested rather significantly, and on an even higher time frame, a 60-minute chart, we've broken the 50 MA, and we're hovering right now at this level right through here. So 113.45/50 area from a swing low, not the perfect swing low on a lower time frame, which you can see right here. If I were to zoom out, that would be a really good test. 113.20 support level through here, and we're just shy of that, trying to put in a swing low right now. So watch those areas carefully. Nice to be able to call these numbers out and have them at least be paid attention to. The TRIN readings, after being around 1.2, 1.3, and then hovering around 1.5, finally broke that and became more and more bearish all day long here on the final break. TRIN Q was around neutral range also all day long, and finally broke out above the 1.2 level to bearish zone, but now we're right back in it. So tiebreaker of the VIX, rising significantly all day long on an unfilled up gap, chopped around. This is good indication, along with the TRIN, that it's not a good time to go long unless we could have broken the aforementioned ascending triangle top of 114.20. So at least we have that. We avoid going long and getting burned by looking at these market internals. I just love that. And after heading higher here, another ascending triangle breakout through here, concomitant with the breakdown through our level of support, again on this S&P 500 of 13.70. So, excuse me, really nice to have that in our camp, and I like the way things are rolling out here today. On a higher time frame, again, this is nothing more than a pullback. Unfilled gap, however, remains intact, so I'll have to watch that for overhead resistance. So look forward to talking to everybody tonight on the webinar. Hopefully you signed up for that, and look forward to D7's video at the close, and we'll be talking to you soon.